today I have ordered Google Pixel 9 and it arrived in a FedEx package. I'm planning to number port my current service provider to the Mint mobile. So it comes as a bundle. And here's the instructions to the number porting to Mint mobile. The package comes in a bubble wrap, tightly packed, sturdy package. I have to put a bit effort to open it up. It kind of so secure. So as you can see, the cover is kind of mint green, which is the model I've chosen. So I'm going to remove the seal. So just after removing it, the pack can slide through. Yes, we got it out. And we are going to open the package. Cool. I'm keeping the mobile aside. Let me show you what else we have in the package. So there is an instruction manual and a SIM card group. Of course, I'm not going to use it right now, so keeping it aside. And a simple manual. Pretty much nothing. So consolidating everything, keeping things aside for now. We have USB Type-C charging connector underneath. Pretty much standard that comes with any Pixel model. I'm going to take the device out of this wrapper. Solid wintergreen model. The device looks so promising, so solid in my hand. Much weight though. Resembles kind of an iPhone, except it's just the Google. So it has pretty decent thickness. There is a SIM card slot, USB charger port, and a speaker underneath. I'm going to turn it on for you guys. This might take some time. Let me fast forward the video. I think it roughly took less than 10 to 15 seconds. But it took a bit time to set up, which we eventually tried to fast forward the video. So Mint Mobile will be my carrier going forward. We have a welcome screen and it has few wizards going through. First it's trying to connect to my Wi-Fi. Let me switch it to my home Wi-Fi. Searching for my network. Got it. And I'm going to give the security pin for this device after connecting to the Wi-Fi. So now I'm going to set up the biometrics. So I'm going to use my right thumb finger. Again, I'm forwarding the setup. Yeah, fingerprint is done. I'm agreeing to all the terms and conditions. I really don't know what it's all about too. Yeah, we're all set. Here's the home screen. Pretty solid, sturdy, so bold I can see. Currently I'm an iPhone user, so I can see a vast difference. So clarity, it's all pixelated very well. Though I'm using an iPhone 12 mini, so which is around 4 or 5 inches screen. This is 6.3 inches screen. I've given some specifications at the end of this video and the feature, which you can go through. I'm just going to test out some cool camera features. Talking about the camera, so this is pretty cool or advanced camera features at this rate. Out in the market with other competitive companies like Apple or Samsung, you get pretty good camera features at the low bucks. So solid and safe with the kids. Let me walk you through the overview. So go to stores.google.com, and I have searched for the Pixel 9, and it came up with the models available. So I've chosen mint green, and here are some Gemini feature that comes inbuilt with this Pixel 9. So you can summarize the text, and you can do some photo shopping, photo editing, take two pictures, and then you can club it together, and some cool portrait view based on your inputs to the AI model. And you can search any product, just circle around, and it will try to show up the web search for that particular product. Pretty neat for any retailers out there. And this is just another feature where you can take two individual photos at the same spot and then try to merge them. So this is again the frame weight feature. So you can do some cool graphics out of your frame. Pretty good, right? And good night photo shoot. All about pictures, and good 8x zoom, which I tried and looks good actually. A photo enhancer as well. So these are all something which is inbuilt. So here are some technical specification. It comes out in 4 colors at 6.3 display. The weight is around 7 ounce. So inbuilt is like 128 GB, and it has like a Google Tensor processor, inbuilt security feature, and the rear camera is 50 megapixel, wide cameras, and we have a front off cameras, so it can do a lot of other inbuilt features. You can go through them, and you can take a maximum of 4K video out of the back camera, which is really good at this level. And the stereo speaker audios, good features though, I would say like real value for money. So it's an Android 14 with subjective of upgrades as and when Android features getting released. A lot of sensors around there. It's a Bluetooth 3.2 supported SIM card slot, as well as the micro SD slots available, and it's a eSIM supported mobile. So accessibility features available, and it comes with 1-year warranty.